Good morning, namaste. I want to share with you the upcoming workshop in yoga, focusing more on the body weight reduction, body toning, and getting into shape. This is a 5-day workshop. We'll have both morning and evening, different batches. The first day we focus on anxiety and stress, how we can reduce that. And then we build off of that, how we can improve the sleep quality. Because a lot of us insomnia issues. The whole world is going with a lot of so many things. And one of them is a stress, giving birth to anxiety, losing the sleep quality. Then it has an imbalance in your body. So we focus on the third day, thyroid, which helps to regulate that. And the fourth one, because of that, we'll have digestive issues. So that's why on the fourth day, we focus on digestive issues around sugar, blood sugar, diabetes, etc. Given when you don't have a proper digestion, it's a vicious cycle, goes back to the mind. But at the same time, you will also have lower back issues, stress related issues because of the sedentary lifestyle that we go. So these 5 days are systematically going one after another. At the end of the 5 days, the takeaway is that you feel better, you have all the knowledge and the techniques to do yoga. Now let me give you one simple example. Underneath your neck, you have carotid arteries. These arteries, you have one internal and one external. The internal one goes into the frontal portion of your brain, and the external one goes into the scalp, your face, etc. They supply blood to your brain. When there is a high blood pressure, they send that message to the brain, and the brain sends to the heart rate saying that you need to reduce your heartbeat. And in that way it reduces. The anxiety, the stress is reduced only when the brain signals that. Does the brain do automatically? Maybe not. So there is a pranayama which is called Kechari Mudra with Ujjayi pranayama, wherein you squeeze your neck, Ujjayi, like this, and you breathe. Right? It puts a stress. It thinks that there's a high blood pressure. The brain sends the signal to calm down. So that's why during this pranayama, you feel relaxed and calm down. People with high blood pressure, insomnia, they feel relaxed. But doing the same pranayama, if you roll your tongue, which is Kechari Mudra, the tip of the tongue, you push it in the back and touches the soft palate, and then you do the Kechari Mudra. Then what happens is that it puts the pressure on these arteries. It sends the signal to the brain. You start to relax. Your heartbeat goes down. Right? Now, if you see that, if this, because of our lifestyle, because of your obesity, because of your cholesterol, you have a plaque inside which restricts the blood. Plaque is like it's like a cholesterol, right? And also it has calcium, other fibrous tissues, but we'll focus on the cholesterol aspect, which blocks. Now there is a potential chance that because of the insufficient blood to the brain, there is a stroke. People can get paralysis, right? And what are the causes? It could be your obesity, your sedentary lifestyle, smoking, or even for that matter of time, because you're not having a discipline in your lifestyle. Now, by having that, the symptoms that you see is insomnia, headache, sometimes the entire left portion of the body or the function doesn't do it. So you see all of those issues you get out of it when you have this kind of a lifestyle. A very simple thing is pranayama. It helps us. The reason I say that the benefits of yoga and breathing is many. And that's why we wanted to focus after this workshop to finally bring that personalized touch based on your body type, and then what asana, what pranayama you should be doing it, right? Someone who is having depression, an introvert, we wouldn't have them to do the left nostril breathing. It makes them more introvert. But instead you should be doing the right side nostril, which increases the solar plexus energy within your body. So not every asana and yoga is designed for everyone. So I want you to know that part. So for folks who haven't done yoga with me, I want to let you know that I have been doing yoga for the last 41 years, and I've been teaching yoga for more than 20 years, learned from my dad. He's my guru in his Gurukul. Learned Ayurveda from my kid. When I was a kid, from my mom. I went to Academic School of Ayurveda, and I'm also a trained Panchakarma specialist as well. Apart from that, I'm also an international yoga teacher and an evaluator of yoga teachers internationally, certified from the Minister of Ayush, Government of India. And why am I saying this? The reason is the authenticity, the inspiration is something that I want you to understand as you do with me in this. So I will see you in the next few days in the workshop and also in the form I have where you can click and submit. In that way, I can personalize what kind of a yoga and asanas you need to do. The one takeaway definitely is we all can do yoga, and I'll make sure that you do it. I will motivate, inspire, and then I'll take it to you to the next level. Okay? Until then, have a good day, and I'll see you very soon. Thank you.